Good morning, everybody. So I'm Keywan from Rothamsted Research in the UK. Rothamsted is an agricultural research institute based in Harpenden. We're just north of London. I'm leading a team of bioinformatics scientists and software engineers. Today, I'm going to talk about our effort to help scientists navigate complex biological knowledge of plant genomes and traits data. See if I can switch. Oh, yeah, cool. So what is KnetMiner? So many important plant traits such as tolerance to drought, heat, and pests are polygenic, which means the phenotype is controlled by more than one gene. Understanding such traits needs more holistic and genome-wide approaches, connecting information from multiple omics layers, as you can see in this image, and also across different species and organisms, from core species like crops to model organisms such as wheat. So KnetMiner, with a silent K and standing for Knowledge Network Miner, are knowledge graph powered tools to help scientists explain complex polygenic traits and diseases by making biological discovery more integrated, intuitive, and intelligent. Okay, so KnetMiner is a roadmap ELIXIR UK service, and it consists of tools for researchers, developers, and data scientists, consisting of a project called NetSpace for collaborative knowledge discovery, KnetMiner itself for intelligent search of connected data, NetMaps for interactive visualization of knowledge networks, then NetGraph for fair and programmatic access to knowledge graphs, and NetBuilder for data integration. So I will briefly introduce each of these tools, starting backwards now, from building knowledge graphs with NetBuilder to using knowledge graphs and applications of it. Okay, so NetBuilder. NetBuilder is a command line interface-based tool for pulling together and connecting the dots in life science data. As you know, all of you know here, data comes in many formats and is in many locations. So for a given species, NetBuilder helps us to semantically model and integrate diverse data from ranging from genetic studies, gene networks, to annotations, homologies, and the literature. It creates a labeled property graph, also known as a knowledge graph. So a knowledge graph is a graph of nodes and edges where the nodes and edges have a semantic label on it and can have properties. So NetBuilder itself is open source, and I've provided links to a paper, and you can see the project on GitHub if you want to understand a bit more about the details how the data integration platform works. Okay, I'll move on to the next one, which is NetGraph. So the knowledge graphs generated by NetBuilder are exported to RDF and Neo4j using exporters that are developed by Marco Brandisi. So they take the OXL schema that NetBuilder provides and export it into a application ontology and map it to RDF and export the RDF to Neo4j. So some of our existing knowledge graphs, for example, for wheat, rice, Arabidopsis, and COVID-19 are hosted on the Cybers UK infrastructure. And just like to thank Rob Davey and his team for their support. So the NetGraph project, really, the aim of the NetGraph project is to provide programmatic access to the knowledge graphs through either REST APIs or Cypher and Sparkle endpoints. If you're not familiar with Cypher and Sparkle, these are expressive query languages with interfaces available to many programming languages that make it quite easy to query a knowledge graph. So for more details, really, please check out the publications listed below by Marco Brandesi on NetGraph, which is really a more tool for data scientists and developers. So the next tool, which is again more targeted towards bioinformatics resource developers, is called NetMaps. And NetMaps is our interactive Bio.js component for visualizing biological networks, which are subgraphs of a larger knowledge graph in the web. We extend the Cytoscape.js graph library with features to facilitate the exploration of labeled and content-rich graphs. NetMaps is available from Bio.js, NPM, and can be easily embedded in any website. Again, for more details, I encourage you to check out the publication below by Ajit Singh. Okay, so now we're moving on to tools that are targeted towards end users. So the first one is KnetMiner, and KnetMiner is our software to search large genome scale knowledge graphs and visualize interactive and interesting subgraphs based on user queries. The end users of KnetMiner are biologists, geneticists, sometimes pre-breeders, searching the knowledge graph with genes, QTLs, and keyword combinations to find clues and evidence in the connected data. NetMiner is Dockerized and available from Docker Hub. NetMiner 4.0, to be launched this week, will provide a highly requested feature that allows users to save and share their knowledge networks. So previously, a NetMiner analysis would have ended up with a interactive network, and all users could do was take an image of that. But now they can actually save that live network object and come back to it anytime and share it with their colleagues. So that leads me to the last net software product, which is called NetSpace, and this is a completely new platform that we've been developing in the last 6 months to manage and curate and share your own knowledge networks. I'm really excited about NetSpace and its potential to change the way we share biological insights, completely transparent and with full evidence. Our roadmap for NetSpace contains building integrations with Cytoscape, Index, a network archiving platform, and developing advanced network analytics features. A link at the bottom of this slide, if you have a chance to click on it, it will bring you directly to an interactive network saved by a user, made public, with a lot of metadata attached to it. And as I said, it will be an interactive network. Okay, so coming to the end, I would really like to finish with encouraging you to visit our new website and try one of the available NetMiner resources that are there for wheat, rice, Arabidopsis, and even COVID-19, which we've been recently working on. And it was a great project as part of a large international biohackathon to show that the NetMiner tools are quite generic and applicable to many different species and application domains. If you are interested in NetMiner for other species, please let me know or let us know, and we are here to help. The link is there, my email is there as well. Please get in touch. So I'd just like to thank my team, Ajit Singh, Marco Brandesi, Joe Hancho, Jeremy Parsons, Chris Rawlings, and all the other members of the bioinformatics team for contributing to the tools. And I'd like to thank our funders, BBSRC, and you all for listening. Thank you.